Hey guys, welcome back to Stocksin, where we talk about stocks, and yes, more stocks. Click the subscribe button down below, join the growing community guys, and I want to thank you for the last 2 months or so. Also, we got in the description box down below my referral links, and we'll leave it at that. Let's get into the video. This video is about my crypto assets pie in my portfolio, and in my stocks portfolio I have over 25 pies, and total instruments in my portfolio as of this video is 360, and it ranges from different percentages. As we all know, my top 2 holdings are NEO and Tesla. Going forward, I don't expect that to change, but my 3, 4, 5 positions, they are changing constantly. And over in the Discord, link in the description box down below, through the Patreon, they're being aware of that first. And if you're paying for a service, you're paying for something. So this video I'm talking about my crypto assets pie. It's a fantastic pie. It's up over 5,000% in 3 months. If you follow over on TikTok, I just put a video up there a couple of days ago about it, and I went a bit viral, and it's just great. At this moment in time, we're looking at crypto bull run, and happy Chinese New Year to all the Chinese listeners. It's the year of the bull, guys, and whether you like it or not, crypto is hot right now. It's digital gold, and I have my currencies that I'm in, crypto currencies, over in Discord. They know what I'm buying. I'm not selling, but they know what I'm buying. We've added a couple new coins since the last video. As you're all aware, we're in Raven coin. Since I made that Raven coin video, thanks so much for all the views on that one. Raven coin is actually going up, touched on 6 cents. I believe by the end of this month it will go to 7.5 cents. But look, the sky is the limit right now, and the rocket is ready to blast off. So let's get into this, guys. But that's just the whole background. Crypto is hot. Get into crypto. Now my thoughts behind getting the crypto assets, ETFs that is they're not as volatile as the currencies themselves. Again, a lot of these stocks I'm in, apart one, you can't buy no more, but all these stocks that I'm in, they are actually mining Bitcoin, particularly Bitcoin, and they're in blockchain as well. And I'm just going to touch over the first ticker that it's in the pie. However, you can't buy no new positions in it. Yeah, can't buy no new positions in it still. Is BTCE. BTCE is Bitcoin ETF. I bought into Bitcoin BTF when it was €14.71. That's around December. I could have got in earlier. I could have got in September. Look, I let it run up. I'm losing now maybe €500 with that. But I'm up 156% in that. It's on now €39 from a high of around about 39.28 cents. So it's just under its high right now, and the thought behind that one is just gonna go. It's just gonna go. There's no holding that one back. So that's BTCE. Now all the next ETFs I mentioned in the pie, you can buy into them. So the first one is MGT, and as you're checking it up, I'm actually checking it up as well. So MGT Capitals investments, they are 15 cents, just under 16 cents. They're down from their high of 17. They're not off by far. I'm in them 3 months, and unlike Bitcoin, I got into them early. I got into them when they were 12 cent, and that was back in around about November, and it's just taken off since then. I'm up 1,300% with them. Well, 1,298% with them. It's a fantastic company. Bitcoin ETF, there was no explanation in that. It's Bitcoin, it's Bitcoin. With MGT Capitals, they're obviously a Bitcoin miner, as I mentioned already. They're evolving in the mining of Bitcoin and Ether. And the company also earns revenue by solving blocks to be added to the blockchain. And the company has partnered with Bitmain Technologies and is using their Bitmain Antminers. MGT, they're going to be owning and operating approximately 7,000 mining rigs and 50 GPUs based Ether mining machines. Do I need to say more about that? My price target for Bitcoin ETF, let's just make that clear, my price target for them by the end of 2021, we're talking about Q4 here, is around €110. 5% decrease, as I always say, 95, and 5% upwards, we're talking about 125. For MGT, from the current position that they're on, and let's clarify where they're on 15 cent. I see them actually doing another 1,000% this year. That would take it up to maybe around about $354. It's doable. It really is doable. Next one, Argo Blockchain. Excuse me. Argo Blockchain. Now they're on the UK market. I got into them as well. They were all of them 3 months ago. I got into them in November as well. I got into them when they were 9.7p. Let me just calculate what that is. Yeah, that would be around about because you know the UK market at the moment is 142p, so that's 162. Excuse me. Look, take what you have for it. I got into them when they were 9.5p. Okay, I got into them when they were 9.5p. Again, Argo Blockchain are involved in Bitcoin. They're based in the UK, and look, anything that's involved with Bitcoin right now is going to take off. And just bear with me, my nose just closed on me. Excuse me. So Argo Blockchain, let me get into them now. Again, I'm in them 3 months. Just going to run over them right now. Apologies. Yeah, so I got into them and they were 9 point, where is that again? 9.51p, wherever that was in November. But I'm up with them 1,900, nearly 2,000. I'm up with them. They're on a high, as with all of these. I'm on. The high was 144p, and they're on 142p now. They're up in the past week. 45. We'll say 45%, and in the close of trading last week they're up 6%. So Argo Blockchain, that is fantastic mining company, mining Bitcoin. And the next one in the crypto assets pie, I'm going to open it now, is Riot Blockchain. So let's type it in, Riot Blockchain. I'm putting the tickers up there on the screen. Oh, excuse me, need water. I got into them in November again. Got into them when they were $3.98, so $4, we'll just say. I'm up with them 1,235%. And just the Argo Blockchain 12-month price, I see them definitely doing 5 times what they're on right now. So 500%, I see them over 500p. And again, all you UK viewers, you'll know what that is. For me, all I just see is numbers. They're green, happy days. The next one, excuse me, is Riot. Riot again, they're focused on gaining exposure to the blockchain ecosystem through its cryptocurrency mining operations, internal developed businesses, joint ventures, and targeted investments in the sector, the crypto sector that is. The company primarily focuses on Bitcoin and general blockchain technology, so your GPUs, your computer setups. The company has deployed approximately 8,000 apps specific integrated circuit miners at its cryptocurrency facility in Oklahoma. Now, there's a couple of companies I'm mentioning in this pie that have facilities. Riot is one of them. That's unbelievable. The company, through its subsidy, TESS Incorporated. Now, with a subsidy, you have the parent company, Riot, leasing it out to the subsidy. So you're talking about double your gains there with the business itself. It seeks to develop a blockchain-based escrow service for wholesale telecom carriers. Are we listening to that? Like, so cell phone carriers, mobile phone carriers, as such. They want to do a wholesale service for them, which is unbelievable. For example, you have your mobile provider, and sometimes it gives you the option to pay for apps and certain services with your credit. Well, how about you do that with Bitcoin now? It holds 13% interest in CoinSquare, so that is very highly noted, which is a digital currency exchange in Canada. It also holds investments in Faraday LLC, which provides cryptocurrency accounting and audit tech service. That's a gem. Riot Blockchain. The next one, Kanan. We're not talking about Abel here. Okay, we're talking about Kanan. So let's pull that up. Tickers is on the screen. I'm in them in 3 months. Now, I got into them just as they just kind of blew up. I got into them $3.31. They're now $13. And I'm making mistakes in this video. Riot Blockchain, if you just go back to Riot Blockchain, you stay with me here. Riot Blockchain is on $49 right now. My 12-month target for them is 120. Again, 5% up, 5% down, but 120 is my price target for Riot. On to Kanan. They're now $13, $13.04. They're down from their high of $13.35, but they're on their high. Okay, they're on their high, and if you look at the last month, the last week, but particularly the last month, went down from a low of $4.85, boom, straight up, 3 times your money, over 300%. I'm up in them 395%. So who's Kanan? So Kanan provides supercomputing solutions through proprietary high performance computing apps, and that's the application specific integrated circuit that we mentioned there for Riot as well. The company provides a holistic AI solution to customers, including AI chips, algorithm development and optimization, hardware module, and product and service for software. Look, they're located in China. And crypto in China right now is gold dust. My price target for Kanan, from where it is right now, we're looking at 85. Okay, $85 is my 12-month target for them. 5% up, 5% down.